stop till the earth stops spinning. We got the keys to the world. We got the keys to the world. You got the goods, I got the stuff. Won't stop till we get enough. They got the rules, but we make them all. Can't stop the clock.
Yeah! I'm so proud! Goed gemaakt! So guys, I'm getting a rear brake nipple for Joshua because he lost all his braking power under the rear.
They cut me up, they don't know me like you. They don't see what you see, they don't do what you do. Baby, they cut me up, they don't know me like you. Lady lover, roll me like a stone. Shady summer, I'm your bag of
Stop it. Get some help.
Or it's lights out, zeros on the debit, baby, all I do is swipe now. Gucci sweater, 5,000, stunning, buzzing, I be going up.
Nice.
Out, ballin', running, getting to the paper, I'm peeling out. They gon' know me as legendary. You in the stands, I ain't need no commentary. If you the competition, you gon' get buried. I don't cheat on the game, we get married.
So day 2 of our trip in Italy. Finished some burnouts and now we have to change tires. Got some tools from Daytona, so hopefully it will work. We've got a good looking man over here. He's the best mechanic, so let's change the tires to Continental.
I got a hunger, I gotta feed my soul. The gates are open, so release the bulls. Don't hold me back no more, unleash the beast inside. Stand up with my pride, I was born to toe the line. I'm ready to light the fire inside.
Take the grease off, otherwise it's gonna crash. So in this case we're gonna put some extra grease on the tire, but we want to see him crash, but it never happens. I'm quite sad about that.
It went very fast, right?
Yeah, it was like 15-20 minutes.
A few moments later.
Your life. Run for your life.
Stoppen! Stoppen!
Wat is er?
Stoppen! Ja, je zult in één keer filmen, Roel.
Oh, kut! Fuck.
Ja, goed. Thank you.
Sorry, man.
Did you go over the handlebars?
I don't know, man. I didn't know what happened. I saw DK in front of me standing still suddenly.
It looked like you braked hard and...
Yeah,
Oh,
I
dit
did.
is fucked.
I did.
You stupid fuck!
I was gonna do a wheelie, but I need to slow down for a wheelie.
Don't you got the Supermofools mirrors?
No worries over nickels and dimes, or a 9-to-5 grind. I gotta get loose sometimes. In trouble, seeing all the signs, but it gets me high, so I take the ride. Time to get down, so get on up. If you don't know how, make it up. Let's play it loud and turn it up. You gotta go, shake it up. Time to get down, so get on up. If you don't know how, make it up. So play it loud and turn it up. You gotta go, is made. We're cranking up the lights now, so everyone can see. It's all happening right now. We're gonna make you believe. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. This is our house. We do what we want. We'll blow the roof off. Everybody's coming. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. We'll make the whole world hear us. So throw your hands up high. We're about to show you why they fear us. Here comes the battle cry. Here comes the battle cry. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. This is our house. We do what we want. We'll blow the roof off. Everybody's coming. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get. It's about to get. It's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. This is our house. We do what we want. We'll blow the roof off. Everybody's coming. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get.
Today was the first day with a lot of sun.
Yes, it's dry. And you fucked up Joshua's bike.
But
What happened?
well, we were just out of the corner and we were having the great communication with the cardo. And I heard Percy say, "Wheelie!" And he can just like. But I got a VR 250. And I have to slow down. Did it out of the corner, so Joshua was right behind me.
Yeah, and he went on the throttle.
But then unfortunately his clutch control
cylinder broke.
We found a Gravia pass.
Yeah.
It was really nice for supermotos.
It's a bit narrow and a lot of water.
Bumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. It was rocky.
Yeah.
And now we're at the Stelvio, but the
Famous
the famous Stelvio. It's one of the best roads.
And I'm really hungry.
And we were really lucky that it's empty. But we're gonna go back down again with the 360 cam.
Yeah.
Let's show the footage and maybe you can
some
film the
epic
drone.
drone stuff. Yeah, and how many hours?
We only have
breakfast.
breakfast.
one thing we could want. Journey of a lifetime. We come alive in the nighttime. No such thing as a right time.
Go DK, you can do it!
Be